My name is Adédọ Ọláyẹmí. I'm the Organist and Music Director at All Saints Anglican Church, Hyattsville, Maryland, and also the Assistant Diocesan Organist and Choir Master of the Anglican Diocese of the Trinity, which covers USA and Canada. Ìlérí Ayọ was arranged in July of 2021 by my humble self, and typical of most of my compositions, this work was greatly influenced by some struggles I was facing at the time, and the only resolution was to turn to God, who is the author and finisher of our faith. But thanks be to God who has made all things good at his own appointed time. The Bible says in Matthew 11:28, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." So a part of this song featured the popular Yoruba song Ọlọ́run mi má ṣe sùn. Ọlọ́run mi má ṣe sùn, jẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ ayé mi kó ká ọ lára o. Ọlọ́run mi má, and so on and so forth. I do not know the source of this song, and so I do not claim ownership of this particular song by means of this arrangement. I made conscious effort to achieve melodic tonality with the language. The arrangement was basically in unison, two-part harmony, SATB form, and so on and so forth. This work is dedicated to the Right Reverend Dr. Adédọ and Mama Modupe Adéwùnmí for their great support and contribution to my music ministry in the United States of America. I hope you enjoy this song. God bless you.